Hey everyone, today's video we're going to go over store hours, how to set up your store hours, how to manage it, change it, configure it, and everything about your store hours. To get here, click on store hours in the left-hand navigation menu, and this is what you'll see. You'll see regular hours and special hours and holidays. This drop down right here, it's a list of your store hours. So this is what you set up prior when you onboarded with us. We typically set up default business hours, and you can have multiple different types of hours that you set up. But what you select, which type of business hours you select is found right here. So you select this, and now we're editing this business hours. You have regular hours. Let's start with that. This pretty straightforward. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. This shows which days you can edit. That means we're open on Sunday, and this is the time range. We're going to be closed on Sunday. Click that. Now it's closed. Now, kind of back it up here. These store hours are think about the business logic and all your routing. So your IVR, your pharmacy agent, your announcements, everything is going to be operating on these store hours. So this is where you configure it, and you need to get it right. Let's just say Monday. Let's say 8 a.m. to, let's go 11 a.m. And then we're going to close from, we'll do 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. for lunch. And this is how you would set that up. 1 p.m. to, what might say, let's say 6 p.m. 6 p.m. So now you're open from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. So in that middle there, you have the option to set up routing. You might want to say route to a specific voicemail box or route to your pharmacy agent during that time that you are closed. Just a scenario. You can have multiple time blocks. If you don't like that, you can delete it. Click Save Changes when you're ready to move forward, when you want to save these changes. Special hours and holidays. Now, this could be anything. This could be an inventory day, snow day, just a labor shortage day, or a holiday. This is where you would go set that up. Let's just say we pre-populated this. If you see some funny things in here, this is our development team testing things out. So apologies. All right, special hours. Let's say snow day. Snow day. All right. The date range, we're going to predict snow. The 27th, the 28th. We're going to be closed on this day. We're going to select an announcement. If you already set an announcement, if not, you go back to announcements and set one, and you would pick from the one you set. Let's see, we don't have snow. So we can just go with Daniel test. Let's just assume that's snow day. And we can play this 7 days before this snow day we think is going to happen. And we're going to apply it to these store hours. So meaning when somebody calls and these store hours are set up, this is when this announcement is going to play. Or we're applying these special hours to these store hours. That's what I mean. Click Save, and there. Now we have a special holiday where we are closed. If you want to change this, click Edit. You might want to say we're not entirely closed, we're just closed on certain times, like have those time blocks just like we did before. Click Save, and there we go. That is done. And you can delete these if you want, if you don't like them. You can change like Thanksgiving Day annually on the 4th Thursday of November. We set this up for you. That's just default holiday hours. But you can set the recurrence pattern if you want. You might have something like Inventory Day, and it's the third Friday of every month. Change it. You can say, weekly on Thursday, whatever you want to set. You can do this. Matter of fact, let me find snow day. We might want to say snow day is, that's just on holidays. Sorry. Just on holidays, you can change that up. All right. Well, that's it for store hours. And if you need any help, feel free. Please, I encourage you to go to the bottom right of your screen and click that little help icon. And if you don't see that, go over here, click Get Help, and that will pop up. That is our support team. They're going to answer in 60 seconds or less. feel free. Please lean on them if you have any questions, and I will be moving on to the next video. Thank you.